If you love texture, this fabric bundle is hard to ignore. 8 by 10-inch cuts, 5 in total. This bundle includes
a lightweight embroidered fabric. This is a cotton or cotton linen blend. There's a close-up. This is in a cream color. This is the back. This is a sage-colored Chanel fabric. Very soft, very lightweight. Well, yes, it's a lighter weight fabric and it's very flowy. There's a close-up of the texture. Has a little dimension, 3D dimension to it. Okay. That's the back. This is a tightly woven type fabric. Here's a close-up of that. That's the back. Very lightweight. This is in the sage color. This is a coarsely woven Chanel type fabric. The weave is very textured. It reminds me of, if you're familiar with mud cloth, hand woven mud cloth fabric, before it's dyed, just a plain. This is what this resembles to me. That's the back. It is a heavier weight fabric. And the last piece, now this is a very nice sage colored faux leather, very high-end piece, and I really like the texture of this. This is the back. It's a soft woven type, fabric type back, kind of felty type kind of feel to it. Look at that. That's really nice.
If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.